So now let us try to solve some problems from this book, another very famous book for IITJEE preparation. This is IE Irodov. So let us solve some problems from Kinematics chapter of this book. Okay. So let us solve question number 1, first question of this chapter. Okay. So it says a motorboat going downstream overcame a raft at point A. So let's say at point A there is a raft and there is a motorboat which is going downstream. So this is downstream direction. Okay. And 60 minutes later it turns back. So let's say in 60 minutes it reaches a point B. So from point B, so it goes to point B, and then from point B it turns back, okay, along the same line. And after some time pass the raft at a distance L equal to 6 km from point A. So it again meets, let's say, so while coming back along the same line, it meets the raft again. Okay, so it travels for tau equal to 60 minutes and it meets the raft again, which in the meantime has traversed the distance L. So we need to find out the velocity of the flow. So velocity of the river is what? Okay. So let us assume the velocity of the motorboat to be Vm, okay, in still water. In still water. Okay. So now, when it goes downstream, the velocity of the motorboat with respect to ground, it becomes Vm plus Vr. Okay, and when it flows, so this is the downstream velocity. And when it flows upstream, so the velocity of man with respect to ground becomes Vm minus Vr. So let's say if my positive x-axis is this, so in this direction it becomes Vm minus Vr. Okay. So for the first part of the motion, so we can say AB is equal to Vm plus Vr into tau t, so for the entire time that it moves. And then let's say it turns back and again travels for time t before it meets raft there at point C. So BC is equal to Vm minus Vr into time t. And in the meantime, the raft has traveled a distance of L, which is equal to Vr multiplied by t plus tau. Because raft does not have any velocity in still water, so it assumes or it takes the velocity of the river. So, and this is also given to be L. So now I know that AB is equal to AC plus CB. So we have AC, so AB is equal to Vm plus Vr into tau is equal to AC. AC is Vr t plus tau plus CB. So BC is Vm minus Vr into time t. So if we solve this, we find that we have Vr tau and Vr tau on both sides of the equation. Then we have VRT and VRT, plus and minus, so it cancels out. So solving this equation gives me T is equal to tau. Now, using this equation and putting the value of T here, I get VR is equal to N upon 2 tau. So this is the velocity of the river.